This place really stinks here. We have the right solution for you. Bad odor can make your day awful. Agree? We have the right solution for you. How many times have you had an experience with foul smell like rotten fish, pet pee, sports shoes, damp smell?
Cigarette smoke odor.
We have the right solution for you. There is only one product which can do away such nasty smell. Introducing Zerodol, bio-based odor neutralizer. Zerodol is effective odor neutralizer against a wide range of malodors. 100% bio-based, leaves no fragrance residues. Safe to use on stain-resistant carpets. Low foaming. Stable in hard water pH from 2 to 11. No restraining of treated surfaces. Effective against a broad range of household and industrial odors. Zerodol really works. Thank you, Alpha.
Alpha Products. A brand that really works.